Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Walmart seller growth with Walmart Marketplace step by step clearly. To set up your Walmart seller growth with Walmart Marketplace, begin by visiting the Walmart Marketplace website. Create an account by clicking on the Become a Seller button. Fill out the necessary information, including your business name, email, and phone number. Review the seller agreement and privacy policy before proceeding. Provide your business details, including your address and tax identification information. Verify your business by providing details about your business structure, such as sole proprietorship or LLC. Once your account is created, access the seller portal to complete your profile. Add a brief description of your business and the types of products you will be selling. Upload required documents, such as your business license and tax ID. Set up your payment information to ensure you receive funds from sales. Select the categories that best match your products to help customers find your listings. Use the product listing tool to add items to your inventory. Include detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing for each product. Optimize your listings with keywords to improve search visibility on the platform. Once you have added your products, set your shipping options to offer competitive rates. Choose whether to fulfill orders yourself or use Walmart's fulfillment services for convenience. Review your store settings, ensuring that your return policy and customer service contact information are clearly defined. Once everything is set, officially launch your store by making it visible to customers. Monitor your store's performance through the analytics dashboard to track sales and customer engagement. Adjust your listings and marketing strategies based on the insights you gain from these analytics. Regularly engage with customers through prompt responses to inquiries and reviews. Consider running promotions or ads to drive traffic to your store. Stay updated with Walmart's policies and marketplace trends to ensure continued growth. Consistently review and tweak your strategies for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.